Exactly 2 months ago, I've made an unboxing video of the FreeFly Movi. It should be winter right now. It is October and look at the weather. It's so nice I can ride my e-boat over the fields. I almost forgot why I'm here. Unboxing. This is Movi, the cinema robot. Oh, wow. Wow, this is genial. This is it. Yeah. The tree, it was burnt up and my bag is now super dirty. Try to put it on the skateboard in the front and to keep it leveled with my foot. It's stable right now. Ooh. But the software stabilization of the telephone is going in tilt, so the footage is a little bit strange. It works just if you hold it in the hand. Shortly after, I flew to Transylvania. I was actually visiting an old friend. We studied together at the gymnasium, and he told me, hey, I've recently realized one of my dreams. I built up a top modern dental clinic. Would you like to make a video about it? Of course, I said. And here we go. We had to film everything in half an hour in the morning before the clinic opens up. And I used just my Galaxy Note 9 and the FreeFly Movi plus the Mavic Pro 2. Yeah, and beside this glass picture, everything went well. I didn't break anything else. I have to admit, as I saw this big room with two operation chairs, I thought it's like a couple massage here. You can get your tooth fixed up as a couple therapy or something like this. Anyway, this is how it looks like, the final result. Nobody goes happy at the dentist, I think. But the clinic was so nice, so that I thought, hey, I really need to try this. So yeah, I did it. I will let them treat my teeth. This is gonna be my dentist from now on.